The EDL extension identifies an edit decision list file containing video editing instructions that define how source media clips are assembled into a finished program. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import, export, or troubleshoot these video editing interchange files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful EDL file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. EDL files are edit decision lists containing standardized video editing instructions that describe how source tapes or media files are assembled into a finished video production. They record edit points, transitions, and timecode references for transferring editing decisions between systems. EDL files use the CMX 3600 format standard, with columns for event number, reel, name edit, type transition, type source timecodes, in-out, and record. Timecodes, in-out. Each line represents one edit event, defining a cut, dissolve, or wipe at specific timecode positions. Adobe Systems Incorporated defined Adobe Premiere Pro as the application primarily intended for EDL full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows plays video files conveniently, but deeper control needs production software. Your first step in the technical sequence: right-click the EDL file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Premiere Pro as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. If your EDL file will not open yet, do not panic. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, importing into editors. Import EDL files into professional video editors via File, then Import, then EDL. DaVinci Resolve Premiere Pro and Avid Media Composer all support CMX 3600 EDL import. The editor reconstructs the edit timeline from the EDL's event list and timecode references. Next, exporting for Interchange. Export EDL files from your video editor when transferring projects between different editing systems or color grading suites. In DaVinci Resolve, use File, then Export, then EDL. Configure the EDL format, CMX 3600, and frame rate to match the destination system's requirements. Finally, troubleshooting import issues. If EDL imports produce incorrect edit points, verify the frame rate matches between source and destination systems. Check that real names in the EDL match the clip names in your media pool. Resolve timecode discrepancies by adjusting the EDL's starting timecode offset. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.